In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Salesforce interface with Dream Efficiency to efficiently manage your files and libraries. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, locate and click on the App Launcher, which you'll find typically in the top left corner of your screen. The App Launcher is a versatile tool within Salesforce that lets you quickly access a variety of applications and functionalities with just a few clicks. It's meant to streamline your workflow by providing easy access to everything you need. After opening the App Launcher, look for the Files option and give that a click. The Files section is where Salesforce organizes all the documents and files you've uploaded, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. Next, near the top of this section, you'll see the Upload Files button. Click on it to begin adding your documents to the library. This action will prompt you to select files from your computer. Once your files are selected and uploaded, you'll find a Done button, so make sure to give that a click. This confirms the upload process and ensures that your files are now stored securely in the Salesforce cloud. Continuing on, navigate to the Libraries option in the sidebar. Libraries in Salesforce act as folders where you can organize related files. Click on it, and then proceed to create a new library by selecting the New Library button. Naming your library is crucial for organization, so choose a name that clearly reflects the type of content you plan to store there, perhaps something related to a particular project or client. After inputting a name for your new library, you'll have the option to upload an image that represents the library, making it visually distinguishable. Once you've uploaded an image, the next step is to click Save. By doing this, your new library configuration will be completely set up and ready for use. Select your newly created library by clicking on its folder name. Once inside, you'll want to add files to this specific library. Click on Add Files. Browse through your computer to find the documents you wish to add to this library. Choose the desired files, which will now be associated with this particular library, keeping your projects and information more organized. To finalize this step, click the Add button. Your files are now neatly stored within your chosen library. By following these steps, you've effectively navigated through Salesforce to manage your files and libraries with ease. This capability not only helps in staying organized, but also enhances your overall efficiency in utilizing the Salesforce platform.